Gamers, are you ready? The Asus ROG Phone 8 is set to redefine mobile gaming once again. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this gaming beast, its features, specs, and release date. Let's get started. The ROG series has always been a favorite among mobile gamers, and the ROG Phone 8 is no exception. Asus continues its tradition of delivering cutting-edge performance, and this time, they've taken things to a whole new level. Let's start with the design. The ROG Phone 8 boasts an upgraded sleek and aggressive design with customizable RGB lighting on the back. Its 6.8-inch AMOLED display features a 165Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, offering buttery-smooth visuals that make every game come alive. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with up to 18GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Expect lightning-fast load time, zero lag, and unparalleled multitasking. And for gamers, the Game Cool 8 cooling system ensures hours of intense gaming without overheating. Gaming on the go? The 6,000 mAh dual-cell battery with 65-watt fast charging has you covered. Play for hours and charge up in no time. While gaming is the focus, the ROG Phone 8 doesn't skimp on cameras. It features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for stunning photos and crisp streaming capabilities. Asus is also bringing exciting gaming accessories like the AeroActive Cooler 8 and Kunai Gamepad 4. Plus, the ROG UI, built on Android 14, offers customizable gaming modes and tools to optimize performance. So, when can you get your hands on it? The ROG Phone 8 is expected to launch globally in March 2025, with a starting price of around $999 for the base model. Of course, prices may vary depending on the configuration. What do you think about the Asus ROG Phone 8? Are its features worth the upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.